am a PhD student here in Politecnico di Torino in Electronic Engineering. Right now we are going to take a tour in our electronic laboratories. Let's go. Okay, welcome. This is our laboratory in which you can see that there are a lot of instruments that the student can use during the bachelor degree to perform some experiments. As you can see here, we have prepared a test bench in which you can find that there are a lot of instruments and a shield that the students can use to perform some experiments. In particular, as you can see, here there is a program that is very, very simple, in which for each switch a LED turn on. Okay? Okay, let's take a tour, and we can see that there are two students that are right now working on their experiments. In particular, they are using this kind of instruments that are very, very complex to perform some measurements in their circuits. Okay? As you can see, the instruments are very, very complex, and in this case, there is a display that is showing the results of their measurements. Okay, now I show the last experiment of today, and here in this test bench we have prepared some instruments that are working right now, and as you can see, there is a motor that is rotating, a microcontroller that is able to control the motor, and a circuit that is able to handle the motor, of course. As you can see, there are a lot of instruments, and in particular a programmable DC power supply, a digital oscilloscope that is able to show some waveforms, and a PC that right now is controlling the microcontroller. So as you can see, there is a straight line that is indicating the speed of the motor. Okay? So if I try to change the speed, for instance, to 45, as you can see, the motor, that is the blue line, is right now following the target speed. And as you can see, the motor right now turns faster. And the oscilloscope has shown a different waveform. So let's try to do one more thing. For instance, if I set 10 volts in output, what happens? The power supply has decreased its value, but in order to follow the speed of the motor, the output of the microcontroller is increasing its period, okay? Because in this way we are trying to follow the speed of the motor, the target speed. Okay, so this kind of experiment is an experiment that the students will do during their bachelor degree, and in particular it is the last experiment that the students has to perform. Okay, so I think that right now we can say goodbye, and let's see in the next video.